reached out to MetTel, and they came in, and we just finished a pilot last week, 2 weeks ago, and we're going to move on to put this solution in 700 of our trucks. And what were we looking for? Safety first, right? The safety of our drivers. Scheduling is a big thing for us. We can say, hey, you need to go fix an airbag here or do a calibration at this location, but then there's this downtime. And what if we have a simple fix that we can move that driver within a region for really quickly and go get another job done so we can get the car delivered to the end consumer quicker? We have zero visibility of that, and it's a lot of phone calls and all those kind of things. It's inefficient, a lot of sitting around, or we so overload the driver, we have a bad customer experience at our collision centers because they're waiting on him, he's not there on time, whatever those scenarios are. So how do we begin to fix that and then get that information back to do better routing, understand that we think a calibration should take 45 minutes, but from the data, we see that the truck is there an hour and a half every time. We're not maybe accounting for some setup or, giving the poor guy a break or any of those things. So how do we better route that and get more out of each van and have a better teammate experience for that driver, which probably isn't great right now because it is a lot of phone calls. Hey, this one's more important, can you turn around, do this? Well, that's an hour drive in a metro area or things like that. So one of the things I think that we did was came to you and said, we know absolutely nothing about this. Can you help us? And so we've been going through this point of sale, and it's worked out well. And like I said, we're going to start rolling out the 700 additional vans.